What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Pete Shop Makes. We're down here at the CNC. Something very, very unfortunate just happened. Makes me want to pull my hair out. I was just getting ready to use my CNC to do a very important carving, and I was manually moving the router to the front to zero it out and replace the bit, and the belt just snapped. I'm going to try to temporarily fix this just until I can get a replacement in, but in the meantime, like I said, this is a really important project that I need to get started ASAP. I think what I'm going to try to do, I have some artificial sinew, and this stuff is very strong, very durable, and I believe the original stuff was made by the Native Americans, and it was made out of like deer or some animal intestines or their guts, and really made for a very robust and sturdy rope or string, and in this case thread. This artificial stuff is coated in a wax coating, which I think only adds to the strength. And what I really like about it is that it's flat. And what I plan on doing is punching 2 holes on either side of the original belt, and then just attaching or tying them back together. And I think because the fact that it is flat, it should hopefully not interfere with the drive wheels or the guide wheels rolling back and forth and causing any issues with the accuracy of the carve. So I'm basically, just gonna right now loosen up the tension of the original belt and line these up as best I can, and then just tie these together and hopefully get my machine back up and running so I can finish this carve. So let's go ahead and get started on that now. Hopefully that should be enough. Again, I don't know what caused this. I was simply just moving my machine to home zero. Okay, so that's pretty much perfect right there. Where these two are going to line up. So now we can go ahead, tighten this bolt back down, see how she do. So that's it, all knotted together. It's got pretty good tension. So let's see what happens. I'm afraid. Alright, here we go, moment of truth. Oh, she holds. Alright. Well, I guess nothing left to do now but run the machine, and that'll be the real test. So I'll go ahead and get everything set up, and I'll bring you guys back. Okay, moment of truth time. See how this sinew holds up. That is a lot of strain. right, well, there you go. That worked really, really well. And really pretty pleased with the end result. And again, this was just some artificial sinew that I picked up from Hobby Lobby for $7.99. Super strong, super durable, perfect for this application because it lays flat, and the wax coating seems to add more strength. But yeah, it's just artificial animal intestines. I think Adam Savage just did a video on using this stuff for, you know, leather working and things like that as stitching, for really strong stitching. And his was made out of cat intestine or cat guts, and I don't really want to know how that's made, but yeah, so I guess that's why they have the artificial stuff nowadays, save all the little kitties. But yeah, it really worked well. Let's go ahead and check out how it looks here on the belt. Pretty much the same as when I put it on there, holding up well. And so I mean, it's perfect for a temporary fix like this. I did already receive my new belts in the mail from TBD CNC, and yeah, these are a lot thicker, a lot more heavier duty than the stock belts that come with the X-Carve. So I'll just have to swap these out. Seems like a pretty straightforward swap. It comes with some new drive wheels as well. The motor pulley you just leave because it's big enough to fit these, so you don't have to swap that out, but you do need to swap out these little guide wheels here just because they're wider to support the extra width of these 9mm belts. So there you go. As a temporary fix, you could use some artificial sinew if you're in a pinch and need to get the job done. So there you go, guys. Thanks for sticking around and checking it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and as always, I will catch you on the next one.